Hi guys, welcome to Coreldraw tutorials. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Coreldraw in Windows 10. So let's get started. First you should download setup of Coreldraw from internet that I have downloaded before, and I'll put the link below in the description. You can download Coreldraw from internet. Okay, now we're going to install our Coreldraw. This is our Coreldraw setup, so click on it. Now we have two setups, so click on first setup. Okay, click on setup and next. Now it's going to prepare for installation. Now our file is ready to install, so click on finish. Now here's our files. Click on first setup. Okay, now click on accept, next, and here you can choose your installation option, typical installation or custom installation. I said typical installation is good. It includes most programs and options. Okay, click on typical installation. It's going to install. I pause the video to complete it. Now our setup installed, and we are going to open Coreldraw. Okay guys, it asks us to start creating. You can take a tour or skip it. Now we are going to skip it. Here you can create a new document, set a name for your file. Okay guys, this is the screen of Coreldraw. There are many options that you will work with them in other video series. So guys, I hope this video could help you to install your Coreldraw. That's enough for this video. If you like our videos, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss another update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video.